Kingston, Jamaica, all the way from St. Thomas, one of the lead singers of Morgan Heritage, certified iconic, three-time Grammy Award winner, philanthropist. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your lighters in the air. Let me welcome the king of country reggae music, chosen by Chris Brown personally to be here tonight. Grabs, Morgan!
Kingston, Jamaica, are you ready? Experience. All who come from Jamaica say pam pam. Now this is reggae music, the land of reggae music, and I want to give a nice welcome to our headliners tonight, Sean Kingston and Chris Brown. Make some nice when they hear now.
Welcome to Dance Hall Reggae Vibes, where we showcase the latest and greatest in dance hall and reggae happenings, plus awesome interviews you will love. Be sure to voice your opinion in the comments section. We really want to hear from you. Also, please like, share the video, and subscribe for more valuable content.
If you with me, Dr. Dre, then say I'll be down by the waiting for the good Lord to pass away. Well, it's I'll be down by the singing sweet songs on this lovely day. Oh, yeah, yeah. Sing with me now. Three singing birds told me by sunrise they were always there in the morning, praying and blessing the day. You repeat that, tell me for something. I heard about this till a long time ago, but never had a thing of need in my soul. Yeah, listen, now Mother Nature said to me, three little birds, they were singing a song, saying it was so. Yeah. Now I'm on my way. Anyone come to see us today? Tell them I will be with my people in St. Thomas, Jamaica. Now, Mother, ooh, Lord. come from country. Ooh, yeah. Country people, see me, I know. See me, I know. I'll be down by the Lord, waiting for the good Lord. Pass my way, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll be down by the waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. I'll be praying. Yeah, what you say? She's still loving me through all the trials and pain. Yeah, for I played around. Yeah. But still yet she held it down. Yes, she did. She's still loving me. And I can't deny. Oh Lord, 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 brought her many sleepless nights. Oh baby, so give her some chance tonight, so I can make it right. Oh, she's mine. Sing! And I ain't gonna for no one. She's mine. But you know me. Cause she's truly mine, and most of what she does makes friends feel so good inside. Tell the Lord inside, and I say, she's the right one for me. It made no mistakes, and I tell the world with no apology. Dr. Dre, take me to the whole school. This part of the show's for the parents. All of the parents them say, oh, yo. I know the parents bring them picnic. So this part of the show's for you guys. If you feel good, Dr. Dre, take me to James Ingram. And if you're trying to be the change you want to see, if you lay down your life for love so someone could miss it, oh, there's a place for people like you. I heard up there the streets are made of gold. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. And when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when your days down here are through, yeah, there's a place up there for people like.
Thanks for watching, and remember to like the video and subscribe. Check out these other videos you will love.
Take care of your children, yeah. Ryan Burke, may God strengthen you and keep you. People, heal Jamaica. Give your friends their flowers.